Good afternoon. Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. Just wanted to do a little video recap to instill some confidence within my clients or anybody else willing to join the team here at Beast Mode Trading. We have a live chat room, but right now we're going to cover how I operate the text alerts sent straight to your mobile device and kind of the rules that I use trading this strategy. So I have some clients who work full time and they look for a way to extract money um, daily from the stock market. We don't win every single signal, but with proper risk management and a game plan, which we have, more times than not, we're on the correct side of the move. And I'm going to give you a recap and show you exactly how we did this week. I believe we went 10-1 on the Spy Crusher text alerts. It's a slower day trade. We're typically in the trade for anywhere from 1 or 2 minutes to sometimes maybe an hour, 2 hours, So someone who's at work and they can't focus their time into our live chat room and take the quick scalps that we like to take, this is for them, or this is potentially for you. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal for trading, and let's dive in and see how we do it. First and foremost, once you get an alert, I'm going to say the Spy Crusher Alerts Premium channel. We have 38 subscribers in there right now. Once we get to 100, right now you can lock it in at $50 per month, and you'll be grandfathered in forever. Once we get 100 subscribers, that 101st person, it's going up to $100 per person. And I'll show you exactly why it's still a great bargain at that price. And you can kind of see the power behind this system, Anyways, when an alert comes in, this is August 10th. We're going to come here to the chart on August 10th. You see down there, August 10th. This candle is August 10th, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. When we get an alert, basically the second we get that alert, I get my order, I market order in, and put a 30% hard stop in. When you trade, you have to use proper risk management. So if I use $100 or $1,000 per trade, I know that my max loss will be $30 on a $100 trade or $300 on a $1,000 trade. If you could win 70, 75, 80% of those trades, and all your winners are 10% and higher, which they are, with a 30% hard stop, you can slowly grow your account. Nothing's perfect, and we do lose, and that's why I preach every day in my live chat room about risk management. So basically, when an alert comes in, like I said, I'll put a 30% hard stop in, and I'm looking for anywhere from 15 to 30% before I set my trail stop and I lock it in, So there's some times that I may not be able to take a trade or put in the alert group that I'm locking it in. This is more to give you the confidence, so you don't necessarily need to rely on me, but just kind of use me for that extra confirmation. So when we get an alert, you put that 30% hard stop in, and on the share side, we're looking for 40 to 50 cents movement, which is typically, depending on expiration day or not, could vary between 10 to 35, 40% ROI. Just depends on how quick, how fast it moves in that direction. And some days it could take 2 hours to manifest into a winner, and we may only get a 10% winner out of that one. But most importantly, we're going to collect a lot more green bags than red bags, and that's what makes this strategy very, very profitable for the team here at Beast Mode Trading. So let's dive in. If you have any questions, comment below in the comment box, and I can address them. If you want to join the team, send us an email, and we'll get you squared away. So August 10th, 2020, we got a Spy Crusher Alerts Premium buy SPY puts. I'm not licensed to tell you what to do with your money, but I can share with you what I do with mine, and that's exactly what I do here. So Spy Crusher Alerts, buy SPY puts at 10:15 a.m. So at 10:15 a.m., you can see down here at my cursor, it says the date and the time. So at 10:10, I'm on 5-minute candles. So at 10:10, when that 10:10 candle closes, that's going to be 5:15. So if you look over here to the left, you can see the share price of 335, give or take 24. So we know that we're looking for, since we're taking puts, we can get paid on downward movement. Once again, we have no idea if this signal is going to win or not. But when we get a signal, me and the team, we know how powerful they are. So we take those trades, So at 335.24, we're looking for 40 to 50 cents to the downside, which would also put us in at previous market structure right here. You know, let's see how it played out. So you come down here to 334.75, which would be right here. 75 cents to 85 cents on the share side. That'd be my target before I set a trail stop in. And look at this trade. We got in right here at this candle. It took us 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It took us a half hour before it hits our target. You set a trail stop, and look what happens. Ended up just free falling. This is a good situation to be in if you're a day trader. But once again, that's just my opinion. So if you do not feel the same, then hey, that's your opinion. You know, you're right and I'm wrong. But anyway, so that's a good situation to be in right there. There's 1-0 right now for the week. We get another. We put 1023. We're locking it in. Target hit 1042, and SPY tanked hard. That's this right here. We got another alert. SPY buy SPY puts again at 3:30 on the same day, August 10th. So 3:30 would actually be 15:25 when that candle closes right here. 335.32. We put that 30% hard stop in. Does not even come close to being hit. And look what happens. We're looking for about 80 cents to the downside on the share side, 80 to 90 cents. And look here, 88 cents. So once again, it hits our target. We lock it in. And unfortunately, it went against us and stopped us out. But we got a winner there. So we're 2-0 right there on August 10th. Let's say August 11th. And once again, we don't win every single trade, but you'll quickly see how beneficial these could potentially be for you and your trading. So we bought SPY puts at 10:15 a.m. So at 10:10, the 10:10 candle close, which would have been right here. We actually got in at the very bottom. Did we know that was going to happen? No, you know, and we put a 30% hard stop in and we got stopped out. Hit the hard stop of 30% ROI. First loser in over 3 weeks to hit the hard stop. Hey, what can you do? So now we're 2-1 in 2 days right now. We got another SPY put alert at 1:45. So the 1:40 p.m., which would be 13:40 on my end, which would be 13:40. This candle close right here, 337.16. We're shooting down for about 336. About 65 to 75 on the share side. So look what happens again here. 75 cents, that 65 cent area gets hit right here. Once again, this little retracement did not stop us out of our hard stop. We ended up getting a nice winner. You set a trail stop in, and guess what happens? You get to milk it for a little bit more. So we are now 3-1 in 2 days. Let's go to August 12th. And let's see what we get here. August 12th, we get a SPY Crusher call alert at 9:45. So we're going to go to the 9:40 candle since I have 5-minute candles on. So when this candle closes, we take SPY calls, 335.82 on the share side. So we're going up about 50 cents, 82.92, $1.02, $1.12, 22.32. So 336.32 in this green candle. Guess what? Target gets hit. We set a trail stop, and we're able to milk it for a little bit more. So now we are 2-1, 3-1. We'll go over it at the end. So there's another winner. We get another SPY Crusher. We get a SPY puts at 11:30 a.m. So at 11:25 a.m., let's see what it looks like. 11:25 a.m. right here. This actually moves from 337. We have a target of, let's see, 11:30. Right here. So we get in up here at the 22 cents. So we're looking for about 72 to 82 cents on the share side. This one falls down to about 93 cents. We were sitting at our computer since we won so much on the call side. We locked in a little bit early and got another winner out of that signal. So we locked in right there. 7 minutes later, we got another SPY put alert at 2:30 p.m., which we're going to look for the 2:25 candle. So let's see. 13 is 1 o'clock. 14 is 2 o'clock. We get a 225 or 1425 right here. When this candle closes at 75 cents, we're looking for another target of about 25 cents on the share side. Look what happens right here. 25 right there. Target gets hit. This retracement was not enough to get you out, and we ended up getting another winner off that trade. We got another SPY Crusher puts alert at 3:45 p.m., which would be 15:45. So we're going to go to the 1540 candle, which would happen to be right here. When this candle closes, the share price is 337.90, and look what happens. So we're looking for a movement down. Since it's the end of the day, it actually goes. We're looking for 40 to 50 cent on the share side, so 337.40 to 337.50, and it gets hit right there. So we actually had on Wednesday, we had a perfect day. August 13th. Let's see what we get here. Here's August 13th. We got our first. We didn't get a signal all day long until 2:45. So we're going to go to that 240 candle for SPY calls, which would be 12-1, which would be 14. Let's see how this one played out for us. The 40, which would be this candle's right here. This candle's closed. We took some calls, and look what happens. We go up 50 cents from the share side, 336.39. So we're going up 50 cents. So it'd be about 78 to 88. And this next candle right here, look what happens. It gets hit. You set a trail stop, and you're able to milk that wick before it comes all the way back down again, and eventually goes on to be a loser. So that's why we have targets in our trading plan. We got targets. We have a stop loss, and there's another winner right there. So at 3:15 p.m. Eastern time, we got another SPY Crusher call signal. And so we're going to look at the 3:10 candle because we're on 5-minute candles. When that candle closes, it'll be 3:15, you know. So let's see how this played out. So 15, we got this one 15 August 13th. Yep. So we need to be looking at the 10th candle right here. When this candle closes and this candle opens, we actually get in calls right here. 336.53. We're looking to go up to 337. 337 is up here. Guess what happens? Target gets hit. You set a trail stop, and you're able to capture more of that movement. So we had another perfect day here on August 13th. The last day of the week, we bought SPY puts on August 14th. We got the puts signal alert at 2:15 p.m. Eastern time. So we're going to look for the 2:10 candle close because once again, we're on 5-minute candles. So 12 o'clock, 13 is 1, 14 is 2. Let's see where this 10 candle is. Right here, when this candle closes, 337.18 on the share side. We subtract that 40 to 50 cents. We'll go 50 cents. So we'll say 20 cents down to about 337.80. Which will put us in right about here. And look what happens. In a matter of 5, 10, 15 minutes, guess what happens? Hits our target once again, and we set a trail stop or we lock it in. We say lock it in, target hit, and that's our recap of how we trade the SPY Crusher text alerts here at Beast Mode Trading. We can go back and I'll give you how we did. August 10th, we went 1-0. We went 2-0. We lost here, 2-1. We won there, 3-1. We won there, 4-1. We won there, 5-1. We won there, 6-1. We won here, 7-1. August 13th, we won here, 8-1. We won here, 9-1. August 14th, we won 10-1. So we won 10 winners, 1 loser on the week. And figure this. If you took a 30% hard stop loss on one trade, you're negative 30% for the week. Even if you sold all 10 winners at 10% ROI, 10 trades times 10 is 100% ROI minus that negative 30%. You're still profitable 70% ROI on the week. However, a lot of our winners go on to win about 30, 40, 50% range, and you can easily see how this strategy could help you in your trading career. If you like what you see, reach out. You can sign up below. If you like what you see, like I said, we have 38 subscribers. We just launched the texting alerts. We had this in our room for about 5-6 months or so. We just started the texting, so there's really no delay. You get these alerts sent straight to your mobile device or your desktop. And like I said, at 100 subscribers, you're going to lock it in at $50 per month. At that 101st person, it's going up to $100 per month. So if you like what you see and you want to add this to your trading game plan, sign up below in the comments. And most importantly, we thank you for your time and giving us the pleasure to show you some of our tools here at Beast Mode Trading. So hey, you have a blessed day, great weekend, and reach out with any questions, concerns, and give us some comments down below if you like what you see. Beast Mode out. Have a blessed day.